What's up, YouTube? It's my first video today. We're going to be making my bike lighter. So, first we have an Allen key. It's a Allen keys, so first thing you want to do is take off your seat. You don't have to take off your seat from the seat post, but just take your seat off with the seat post. Optional. Today, we're just going to leave the seat on. We're going to drill holes in it. So, make it lighter. I don't know. Let's get it. Alright. Now that you've got your seat post locked down, you're going to have it locked down. Now, what I tried is, if you can see here, have it down below. I'm using whatever size this is, can't really tell. Hold it directly above and just start drilling. Now, it's going to be hot. The hole you're cutting is going to be hot, so you got to be careful. Take breaks. Don't cut all the way through at one time. Now, if that ever happens, that probably means you didn't tighten this down all the way. So we're going to tighten it down a little more. So now you've gotten this far. You want to change your blade to a little bit smaller one, so it fits in the hole a little bit easier. This is my first time doing this, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm trying to make a video. Tighten it down. Put it in. We got through a little. Now we're going to make the blade smaller to cut through. I like to change the blade. Just start off big and get smaller as it goes. So, we've got a very small. We started with the biggest one. No, this was the biggest one. This one. We moved down to a smaller one. Now we're at the smallest. This will complete the job of making your Wait Weenie seat post. Alright, now that you've got the hole drilled, I'll show you the hole. So you've drilled your hole. You can see it there. A lot of metal shavings. This is hot. So you want to take your drill, put it back in there, but this time you're going to want to move it around in there. So go in a circular formation whenever you're in it to get the hole perfectly big. The final step, take your seat out of the clamp. Just want to file it. So we're going to file it now. Last part, grab a paper towel, wipe off all your extra like shavings. As you can see, there's a ton here, and you got a hole in your seat post. You can start doing them, cool designs. You could do them all over, but I'm just gonna do one. Just made my bike lighter, not by a lot. Gotta start somewhere. The last step. I said the last step, I lied. This is the last step. Take your bike, your beautiful bike, put your seat in. It's not gonna fit if it's perfect. Then push that bolt in. Make sure it fits nice and snug. And tighten your seat down. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos to come.